here with ASHBA Studios. We are a fabrication company based out of Las Vegas, Nevada, and today we're going to do a little unboxing video on some of these brand new state-of-the-art 8K resin printers that Phrozen was kind enough to send us. Stay tuned. Nice shrink wrap. You got that beautiful orange glow on the face of it. We've got them side by side with the 8K. We've been long-standing supporters of the Phrozen team over there. Amazing products, well built, great reputation, great service. Reservoir and pump here. Got that same beautiful orange glow to everything. This is going to be powered via some USB cables and data cables in the back here that we just sync up to the back of our main printer unit. Various hoses to get everything hooked up. We've got a resin bottle and a feeder tube. So again, nicely packaged. We're going to put that together, and then we're going to get our build plate. Looks pretty similar, all things considered. Doesn't look like there's too much update there from the first version. In this box here, we got a little thank you card. Always nice to see that appreciation. This is something new. We've got these mini USB air purifiers, and these are going to go inside the machine there, and just kind of USB plug in, and they're going to help to purify that air inside your machine. You've got your charcoal filter. Two of those units inside. And we've got a funnel and some gloves for our fill bottle here. We've got plug and play, either standard US or European adapters on there. That's always nice. And then you've just got a standard connection on the back side. So there's no opening panels, there's no wiring. It's literally just going to be a plug and play for us. And you've got your scraping tool. We've got a plastic scraper, a little sandpaper disc in here. We've got these two covers. You might be wondering what these are for. And these are just going to be magnetic filters that attach to the back of your machine. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're going to go through and get the rest of these guys set up, get them all plugged up, wired, get our fill bottles in place, and fire these up.